College, Pennsylvania, issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dauphin County in south-central Pennsylvania, east-central Perry County in south-central Pennsylvania, northwestern Lebanon County in south-central Pennsylvania until 9 p.m. At 7:57 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds around 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Marysville and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Penny-sized hail may also accompany the damaging winds. Locations impacted include Harrisburg, Colonial Park, Progress, New Cumberland, Ringlestown, Lemoyne, Paxtonia, Rutherford, Skyline View, London, Benbrook, Marysville, Likens, Paxtang, Buchanan, Elizabethville, Williamstown, Fredericksburg, New Buffalo, and Lake-Dale. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 78 from mile markers 0 to 7, Interstate 81 from mile markers 65 to 97, Interstate 83 between mile markers 42 and 44, and from mile markers 47 to 50. Doppler radar has indicated the trocation within the storm as weakened over the past 15 to 30 minutes. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. The thunderstorm wind gusts are expected to produce damage. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building. A tornado watch is in effect for the region until 10 p.m. this evening. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following county: Lebanon, Pennsylvania. This is normal weather rated southeastern Pennsylvania. Here is the region.
Well, that was a little exciting. First severe thunderstorm warning of the year, and first severe thunderstorm warning from another office, which that was State College. Okay? Alrighty. Today has been a very big day. My first tornado watch also. And just a couple of minutes ago, I filmed a severe thunderstorm watch. Alrighty. Bye-bye.